Hi friends, today I am going to show you some simple circuits and how does electricity work. For completing a circuit we need some essentials. First of all, a power source means for example a cell. In a cell we have two terminals. One is negative and another one is positive terminal. Next one, a load means a bulb. We need a bulb. If wanted, we can use some resistors with different ohm and a button switch and a battery box. And I am going to show how circuit diagrams are drawn on this paper. Okay, let's get started. Now I made a simple circuit. This is the battery holder in which I connected the batteries and the positive terminal of the bulb to the positive terminal of the battery and the negative terminal of the bulb to the negative terminal of the battery, and a simple switch, a button switch. Now what is going on? When I press this, the current is flowing and the bulb glows. Now how is this current flowing? Always current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal, and electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. And one more important point, always current flows to the opposite of flow of electrons. Now this is an incomplete circuit as the switch is not on and it does not allow any current to pass through it. So when I made in this way, the current is passing through, so the light bulb glows. Now the circuit diagram for this one is as follows. Now first the symbol of this bulb is in this way. This one. Next one, the battery. There are two cells, so we should draw in this way. A battery and a switch. This is in off position, so in this way, and some switch in this way. Now connect everything with the connecting wires. No, but the bulb does not glow. In the another case, same in that way, but the switch is in on position. Means in this way, so the bulb glows. This is in off position. This is in on position. So this is our first circuit. And one more important thing, if this is a positive particle and this is a negative particle, so the flow of current is in this way, current, and the flow of electrons is in this way. Is this clear? Then our next circuit with some resistors. Now in the second one I placed a 3.3 ohm resistor. Now in the first case, how did the bulb glow? It grew brighter. Now when I keep this resistor, means which resists the electricity, means which stops or pushes the electricity. Now I am connecting that one. Now how is the light bulb? It's so light one. So light. Now what is happening? The resistor will not allow much electricity to flow. So the bulb is going lighter. Then this circuit will be as follows. First, as usual, a light bulb, and in this place there is no switch, so there is a resistor. Next one, a battery. Now connect with connecting wires. Now the bulb is growing lighter. The bulb is going very lighter. Next one is with a 20 ohm resistor. In the next case, it's a 20 ohm resistor. Now when I connect this one, it's still lighter. Can you see it? Very still lighter than the before one. So the circuit diagram of this one will be in this way. Here. First, the symbol of the light bulb. Next, a 20 ohm resistor. This is 3.3 ohm. This is 20 ohm. And the next one will be a 10 ohm resistor. With a 10 ohm resistor, now when we keep it, it's brighter than the 20 ohm resistor but lighter than 3.3 ohm resistor. So this circuit diagram will be as follows. First, a light bulb. Next, a 10 ohm resistor. 10 ohm. Next, a battery, positive terminal. Positive terminal. This one. Now the circuit diagram for this one will be in this way and the bulb will go small brighter. Now one more important point, here it comes. Now there is a bulb and there is a resistor. Now if the resistance is more, means more number of ohms, there is more, then the brightness of this bulb will be less. In another case, if the resistivity is less, the brightness of this bulb will be more. So in this case what we can understand is resistor abstracts the electricity and sends a limited electricity to a load. This is a load. A bulb is also called a load. And one more thing, we have some symbols in this way. A capacitor with a 10 ohm resistor. Now when we keep it, it's brighter than the 20 ohm resistor but lighter than 3.3 ohm resistor. So this circuit diagram will be as follows. First, a light bulb. Next, a 10 ohm resistor. 10 ohm. Next, a battery, positive terminal. Positive terminal. This one. Now the circuit diagram for this one will be in this way and the bulb will go small brighter. Now one more important point, here it comes. Now there is a bulb and there is a resistor. Now if the resistance is more, means more number of ohms, there is more, then the brightness of this bulb will be less. In another case, if the resistivity is less, the brightness of this bulb will be more. So in this case what we can understand is resistor abstracts the electricity and sends a limited electricity to a load. This is a load.